black queen with your nice black skin full of melanin, melanin, melanin. Melanin, melanin, melanin.
What's up guys, the boss Psynos, come in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we're there with another banger. It's a beautiful Sunday. Yeah. Pardon me, I'm here rocking a munchy hairstyle. You know when I'm munchy hairstyle, I don't know what this me just give me. No sir, I look like one munchy. My name bad pitney there. But Miss Psynos says she like it. Me I pull you out, I don't like it. Me I pull you out. But anyways, we're here. We're back at the vlogging again. It's been a while, you know? But there I'm at Harmony Park, auntie. Harmony Park, me there though. It's Montego's base. Auntie not pay me no man in my phone. I'm in Harmony Parks, man. It's a beautiful day. Here we are. Miss Psynos is out there with everybody. Have fun, you know? I'm here as we go in the water. You know? Relax my mind and clear my mind and prepare for the work week. As we say, we start kick off back the vloggings them. You know what I mean? So, yeah, look on the sky. Yeah, we might get some rain. No, you can't see me. Me dark like, hold on, let me take that angle here. Yeah. Pardon me, I'm a munchy head style. Come eat that head style, yeah. Anyway. Yeah, man. So I'm there. I take it easy. Yo, make sure and go check out the previous vlog, you know. The vlog I'm drop today. You know what I mean? I chew my can for fowl for eat it. You know? Yeah, man. Because we not chew a can for no fowl no come, you know. Yeah, man, we talk with truth. And we are said, anyhow them run in and comment and say nothing. Because we never yet say nothing, you know. We sit down and we take all of the diss them for years. Anyhow them comment and say nothing. We go live. And we chat everything. Everything. No more. No more quietness. You know what I mean? Yeah, we not take no more stylings from no boy. Hey, vlog world, here we go on now. So we have to come out of the water. You see that? What? You see that? See that flashing there? So we're experiencing from time to time like a lightning storm around here. It hit some lightning, a flash and a lick in the water. Over there, so near the land and stuff. So this area is kind of a lightning storm hazardous area. So we have to be careful. And it a flash very near. So them run out everybody out of the water for safety, because if you can just hit over there, so everybody in this just get shocked. And I hit that. Dead life nets. So Miss Psynos and everybody gone. We have to come out of the water and things. So we head over with the peeps them while them change and thing. So yeah, swim cut short, man, me vex. But you know the funny thing is, rain ever fall. Rain ever fall. About something there. I don't know why. In a Bobby. I don't know why. But right now we're there. We're going to head over. Now we're going to meet the gang. And we're going to do my thing, man. It's a good vibe in the water. But they are talk to Denny. Psynos, who is my sister. My little sister. My Psynos sister. Love her like my own sister too. And they are all a reason about the future. You know what she want to do and school and college and what she going to do, you know. Yeah, man. Very bright girl. Yeah, man, Miss Psynos family. Very bright and then no some need for shave. How me look so Jesus. You know what I mean? So so we just do a thing. I just take it easy. You know? So yeah, man. Me there I eat rum and raisin muffin. Bad. Rum and raisin. Yeah. Looks like Rasta. But Yeah, man, me there. It's sweet, though it tastes good. But it's sweet. But everybody I walk go. Yeah. Right now I do a thing now. I want to take it easy. I'm just walking, man. Place ram. Should the rain fall? Everybody, you know? There. Make Benson. Yo, my sister. Yo, bright like a bulb. Yeah, man. So, we're there, man. So, what going then, man? Shy. Cool people, man. But I see up on the vlog, man. I'll link up enough now. So, what are they there, all the baby, sir? But we're there, baby Psynos there. Ain't no baby no more. Big girl now. We can't call her no baby Psynos, so we call her little Psynos now. You know? No, I'm not waste my thing. Time hard. Right now, can't not even crumbs me a waste. Yeah, dear, mash up. Boy, yo, black girl, me there. Say, place big and nice. Yeah, but anyway, me there, peeps. I'll go like carry it now and just do what I'm supposed to do. And let's move on to the next location, man. Alright, vlog world, so we're there, we get some soup. Hey, quick
That's
run.
for you, God, man.
Yeah, we love you, God.
Okay. I'm a nice person.
Love you, baby.
Hold on, 1 second. Bright! You come compliment me. Hey boy, I not even say your name, no goddamn your name. Boy, you God, man. You love God?
I love you, baby.
You know learn? What is it? I never ever do that. I never put my foot on her. Neither my hands. Or head. Or my butt. Anyway, vlogger, so we're there. I drink some soup and thing. Soup and one patty and them thing there.
Guys, we buy a car for all the aiders.
Yeah, for heaven.
I lie. When I reach the say it, we thief it off of Orange Street, but we come all the way in a Montego Bay with it. Alright, let me tell you the truth. We thief it on Orange Street, send it down pan and nuts further, we have it here. We text them and tell them say I borrow it.
Yeah.
So yeah. But anyway, guys, we get
I don't know
one
if
chicken
ever-
patty.
If we
More
ever
chicken patty.
listen to me,
Chicken
Tapadas
soup.
now?
Don't
I
talk
don't
to
know
me like
if we
that.
ever eat juicy soup.
One of
But-
Montego Bay, specifically Montego Bay. I not taste it yet. I have to
It
taste
tastes
it.
good. Harbor City, it tastes really good. In a lot, no seasoning.
And the Chinese place over here. How about city horse? Can you show us into well, I'm going to taste it. Any taste bad. A lie. That means the uncle song work over here. Because I'm known for cook dog, you know, man.
When you taste it, watch out on a big piece of chicken.
Well, Jesus, you sure? I dog breast that. Show them. Watch the dog breast, youth. What that? I'm going to taste it. I'm going to taste it. That and this, youth. Copyright. I'll get my little money. Look 2 cents. Pause that. That's the end. Let me see. I'm going to taste it. And your taste bad, that problem is.
Baby, you get your
Hold on.
patty? Your juice in your bag. You have juices in your bag.
Yeah. That I get. Hold on. We don't have it.
Juices are in your bag, Lee.
Why do I need to
Yeah, it have a vibe. It have a vibe. Uncle Sang put a little bit too much salt in there, but it can go on.
It don't have no much salt.
Where, sir? I put a little bit too much Maggi in it. Give me Psynos out there. I support this.
Slurp.
Why? What is going on here? I'm tasting bun up dumpling. I the overnight something. Hold on, I dumpling this. Hold on. Come look on the dumpling. You can see dumpling here. Who that? Oh. But how you know them?
I must sell it.
Oh, I see a man. Which one that? Are the fielder? Yeah. I like them, you know.
That's like the older one though.
Nobody one doing it and give one kid. So we can go all over the place and vlog food. If you get one car, run road, you know, you're gonna call me
guys,
the road
don't listen to
of
him.
the
We're gonna buy a
prostitution.
vehicle.
You know what I mean? Guys, I'm telling you, I have a vehicle, one bicycle, one 6-speed, called Mountain Trail.
We're in the process of seeking.
Well, I'm looking at me something for.
We look on it over Frownsy boy. Sorry. You can edit that out?
No. You say she going like one boot, mom.
I am not.
What is? A dasheen?
No, I the dog balls.
Ew, that's
Don't say that, my lady.
Guys, don't say that around your kids. Sorry, guys.
Apologize to her.
I'm very sorry, baby Psynos. I apologetic from the bottom of my nose. Not a thing. What's wrong with you? Anyway, vlogger, we're going to eat this up and then we're going to join with the boy here.
No,
Miss Psynos, you have nothing else to say?
Go to the beach.
Bruh. Alright, we're there. Good morning, vlog world. From your city roof, you know we're there. From your cities, those who know we're there. We're there back home. We're at home. So I sit down in my chair. Those who know this chair, I say this is the famous Psynos gaming chair. We're at home. We're in a mom room. Mommy Psynos, the real granddada. Rest in peace, mom. Yeah, vlog world. Mom room. Yeah, this room I could become my room. Well, it is my room, but when I move around nothing like that, eventually, but we still honor our mother, even though she's not physically here. So we have to tidy up the place. In a dirty, but dusty, you know. And for all of my people who love their mother like that, for all my people who lose their mother or lost their mother, rest in peace. Mummies, everybody mother and my mother, you know. Yeah, man. I say, Mama, we soon come back home. Yeah. Feel like a time for come back on my yard. Yeah. When I give up, but feel a time to come back out yard. So much has happened. Because God talk to people, you know. And show you the red flag. You know. You know, easy out there youth in the streets. Remember me tell you that? I learn a lot of things, boy. Shout outs to the people them who been there from day one. Big up. But yo, we're there. I tied up the place. Yeah, and then go around at the original spot. You know, quick and fast. Me Psynos them there, baby Psynos them there. Them asleep in the other room, the original spot. Where whole heap of video shoot and edit. You know what you guys the boys? Hey, stop playing with me now. Yeah man, what? I do that. I shut up this quick and fast. Yeah. And then yeah, we take it from there. Cause I'm supposed to go up on the road too. Alright, journey with the boy. Hey.
I might pull up in the. Thank God I'm alive and well. I'm alive and well. And they no fake smile and my eyes can't tell. No, yo.
Wagwan, vlog world. We up in the building. Yeah man, right now we are head back down to Montego Bay and thing, you know, on the other ends. We never film because we there tidy up the place, you know, and me and Miss Psynos there I clean up the place because we have to keep the queen room clean, you know, and my room, you know. We never get for vlog much because it was the hardest thing for us, you know. Yeah, when a time for leave, it just always rough. You know, Miss Psynos, yeah. Love her mommy. She love.
Looking so.
Yeah, she love her mommy. It's rough. But we're there. We just go on a journey and big changes for the best. I got happen, you know. Let's go on journey with me, you know. I'm gonna bring on to go somewhere special too. You know, my first time going there today, so we'll hurry up going. Right, Miss Psynos?
Yep.
And from there we'll talk.
I've been there twice.
Oh, you've been there twice? Hopefully I've been there before. But yeah. But enough good changes are gonna happen. Peeps, I'm gonna bring back the reaction video them. Why JD's even know it's supposed to have a little meeting, but up and down and I tidy up the place and I get things ready. You know, I'll be beside us sad. Beside us I say, I wanna stay home. And them thing they lick me chip, brother. Signs. Sometimes God does show some things in your face that are very obvious, but I just one of them thing there. But we there. You want to say nothing to them, Miss Psynos?
Come over, man. Come over. Cha.
She tell us if you come over, man. Come over, cha. But anyway, we're there. We'll take our time. When you see the skyline, the GTA, you say, that one boy want to race it. Sorry. But anyway, we're there. Vlog world, we go on journey with the boy. And we just go and take it easy. Man say hello.
Yeah, I'm waiting back because I blew him.
Yeah.
Why you come in the fast lane and going slow? Tra. Thank you.
It's true, it's not true. It sound like a beige, eh? Yeah, but anyway, vlog where we're there, go and journey the boy. And we soon the next stop. Alright, vlog world, so we're there. We're there in Senton. You know what I mean? We're there near there one gas station. They call Boot gas station. See there? Yeah. That's how we're there. With the Boot gas station, we stop for us take a pee, a rest stop, you know what I mean? We go pee and them thing there, you know? Yeah, me sign us there. Yeah man, that's sure. Yeah man, so that's before our place we're going, right? Alright, so we're there. I'm gonna head out now, you know what I mean? Whole squad. Yeah. We're heading out, man.
Hey, mama.
Ah.
Yeah, sit down by your burrito.
So
Oh my
chilly.
god, sorry. That's so ghetto. Edit that out.
Yeah, we ain't heading no, nothing. Yeah, heading nothing. But
That's
anyway.
not by your burrito.
I see over by a bird.
I'm not to say, oh my god, that sounds so ghetto.
But anyway, we're there. I should go to now. and things. So we had so much plan, guys. We run back a rush. I hate the rushing. I'm come here. Come back on me yard. Anyway, yeah, that's go over there. Alright, take it easy. Wicked, yeah, driver. Anyway, go and join with the boy here. We heading to the other location. Yes, sir.